this video, you're going to learn how to play the B-flat major scale 2 octaves hands separately at the piano. And we're going to make it so simple you'll be able to play this scale within minutes. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Jonathan Roberts, and here at the South Shore Piano School YouTube channel, we provide tutorials and lessons like this to provide practical tips that you can implement right away on your piano journey. Now let's get into it. We'll start with the right hand, and first off, what we're not going to do is just try to memorize every single finger. We're not going to think 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for 1, 2, 3. You can see how already that gets a bit confusing and overwhelming. Instead, we're going to think in finger groupings. Whenever I talk about a finger group, I mean the number of fingers that you play before your thumb goes under or a finger goes over. And as you'll see, that makes this scale ridiculously easy to learn. Starting with that right hand, we'll start with the second finger, and our first task is to get that thumb to the C here. And then from here, the finger groupings are quite easy. And remember, the two flats in this scale are B flat and E flat. But from this point, my finger groupings go group of 3. So that means I'll play 3 fingers, bringing me to the E flat. And then my thumb goes under for a group of 4. Thumb goes under for a group of 3. Thumb goes under for a group of 4 to top out my 2 octave scale. And then coming back, I just follow those groupings in reverse. 4, 3, 4, 3, and then second finger will cross for the last note. So group of 4, 3 crosses for a group of 3, 4 crosses for a group of 4, 3 crosses for a group of 3, second finger crosses, and I'm done. One way you can practice this is clustering the finger groups to help with the muscle memory. To do that, you do your second finger and then play your group of 3 notes all at the same time with the correct fingers. Group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, and then follow that back. 3, 4, 3, second finger. And then it should feel a lot easier to think second finger, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, follow group of 4 back, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, second finger. Left hand uses similar finger groupings, it's just kind of flipped. The left hand will start with the third finger and it'll go group of 3, group of 4, so 4 crosses over, group of 3, group of 4, and then we cross second finger for that last note. And then coming back, group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. And again, you can cluster that to practice it. So group of 3, 4, 3, 4, cross the second finger, and then back, 4, 3, 4, 3. Group of 3, group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, second finger, group of 4 coming back, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. Now once you learn this hand separate, you're definitely going to want to put hands together, and I cover that in this video right here. I'll see you there.